Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something special for all the sewing enthusiasts out there. We're going to dive deep into the Brother Sewing and Quilting Machine XR3774. If you're in the market for the best basic sewing machine for quilting, look no further. This machine might just be your perfect match. Let's get started by taking a closer look at this fantastic sewing and quilting machine. The Brother XR3774 boasts an impressive list of features that make it stand out from the crowd. First up, it offers 37 unique built-in stitches, including blind hem, decorative, and quilting stitches. Plus, it features a convenient one-step buttonhole function. Now, let me show you one of my favorite features, the automatic needle threader. No more struggling with threading the needle manually. This machine does it for you, saving you time and frustration. Another handy feature is the jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin. It ensures smooth and trouble-free sewing, even for beginners. But that's not all. This Brother XR3774 also comes with a wide table, making it perfect for larger projects like quilting. And speaking of accessories, this machine doesn't disappoint. It comes with 8 sewing feet, a machine cover, and even an instructional DVD to help you get started quickly. The versatile free arm makes it suitable for users from beginners to advanced sewers, allowing you to tackle a wide range of projects. For those concerned about space, the Brother XR3774 measures just 5.8 inches in depth, 15.3 inches in width, and 12 inches in height, making it a compact addition to your workspace. And at 18.75 pounds, it's easy to move around when needed. This sewing and quilting machine is powered by corded electricity, ensuring consistent and reliable performance. Now, let's talk about the price. The Brother XR3774 offers all these incredible features at a very reasonable price point, making it an excellent value for your money. And for those of you watching from India, you'll be delighted to know that it's available for delivery, with shipping and import fees deposit details provided. To sum it up, the Brother Sewing and Quilting Machine XR3774 is a fantastic choice for both beginners and experienced sewers. With its wide range of built-in stitches, automatic needle threader, and included accessories, it's the perfect tool to bring your sewing and quilting projects to life. So, if you're ready to take your sewing and quilting game to the next level, just click the Add to Cart button below and start creating your masterpiece with the Brother XR3774. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video if you found it helpful. As always, if you have any questions or want to share your experience with this sewing machine, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thanks for joining us, and happy sewing!